Hello, class. My name is his brother Jason Davenport. I'm the instructor for the FDREL 225 46 Online Foundations of the Restoration course. Just want to send you a video to kind of walk you through some things to help you navigate throughout this course. So first thing, when you get to this course, always look at the announcements. Once or twice a week, I will have an announcement that will help you through the course or answer questions that might be general questions that I'm hearing from a lot of students. But I would invite you, please, to look at that announcement page often, just to see what's there. You can see I've already posted two there. One's just a welcome to this class. It just kind of has my testimony, and then an introduction of myself. So this is my little family: Lisa, Nathan is 5, and James is 2, and we're expecting another boy in the summer, so we're excited about that. But you can go ahead and read those, and if you will, again, please use that announcement page often. A couple of things before we get started that I'd like you to know. As you know, in most online classes, I'm the instructor and not the designer. If you have any feedback or questions, please ask them, and we'll give those to the designer, but there's a lot of changes that I can't make and that need to go through the design team. And I'm sorry about those frustrations, and they will come, but I'm going to give you each week hopefully a video or some tips to navigate through this course that will be very helpful. First thing, one thing that you should know is this class was piloted about a year ago. They've had a piloted course and then 2 semesters of this class, so we're making a lot of changes, and the designers are still updating and making a lot of changes from the feedback we've received in the past. Some of those changes have been made and some have not. One change that hasn't been made yet that you'll notice quickly is this course on this iLearn3 will not look like your other courses. So be patient with us there. Next semester, unfortunately, it will change to look like your other iLearn classes or courses, but bear with us this semester, and once you get used to it, it'll be really easy. It's just different, and sometimes change is hard to get used to. So bear with us, and I'll work with you and be able to help you out that way. But just know that up front. As a student, I would, from this announcement page, I would always go to this content. This is where your content, your class, your course will be navigated. And you see this navigation bar up here, and you can use that, but I'd invite you to mostly use this navigation bar on the left. This top one, as you go there, it'll be an overview of everything, of the whole course. And if your internet is slow, then it'll take some time, but this overview is just about some information you need from me and a couple information about the course. It was this course schedule that I wanted to look at. So really quick, if you want to, you're welcome to go here and go to the course syllabus and also the class schedule. I'll wait until we go through on this left-hand bar. It's just easier for me, and I think if I were a student, I would use that navigation bar on the left most every time I come in here. So we'll go to this course schedule. You can see the dates and due dates from this upcoming schedule, but you can also go to a full schedule. I'm just going to be at this upcoming schedule. I know one thing that's different is the way that the due dates are shown, different from your other courses, One thing that's different is how it shows your due dates, and I know it's a lot more complicated on this from what I hear. I don't know what your other iLearn3 courses look like. I just know it's different. So one thing that you have to bear with is the due dates. And one way that you can see your due dates is through this course schedule. You can see our first, and all of these assignments your very first assignments will be due on the 25th of April. You can also click on that full schedule to see your full schedule, and it'll have the whole course. You can go to this table of contents also, and this is kind of just the welcome. The syllabus is also a good and valuable tool to see those due dates. So 2 ways to see all of the due dates are this course schedule, table of contents, and you go to that syllabus there. This also has the schedule there. Anyways, this is more for your information. So course schedule and table of contents, more for your information. We'll go ahead and click on that welcome. Okay, again, it's pretty much the same thing. If I were a student, what I would most want to know is, all right, where's my assignments? Where do I go to see my assignments, and how do I do them? You'll see here on the bar LO1, it's basically week 1. This is where we're at. We're at LO1. As a student, I would go here, and I would just go straight to that LO1 course introduction. Now, each course, LO1, each week, LO2, LO3 begins with a little video. You would invite you to watch that video. And as we go, you'll see lesson notes. Lesson notes, you'll see an overview. You'll see if you have any questions or conversations you'd like to post, go ahead and put that there. But as a student, I just go straight to the lesson 01. Each week, it'll be the very similar setup. So you'll go through this week. It'll have the welcome. And then here's your kind of the first assignment will be to click on this link. It's the syllabus and quiz. And this one is due on April 25th, but I'll show you where to see those due dates. So you just click on the syllabus, and then you go to take the quiz after you're done with the syllabus. Now this is one part where it is different again from your other iLearn3 courses. When you're done, you have to click here on your own. Checking this off is for your convenience only. It is not required. It does not affect your grade. The data is only stored in the browser, so you're the one that will see it, and you have to put that it's done or not. Other than that, there's no way to click or check off that you've done your assignment, and that'll be a little bit harder, a little bit more getting used to. So you have the syllabus and quiz. It says the average time it should take you to do it. Then your next thing will be this course schedule. We went to there, and you can go there here. That's why I didn't want to spend too much time with that above. You see there's not an assignment with this class schedule, so you'll just click on that, see your class schedule, and move on. Go down to the orientation to online learning. Some of you have already done a lot of online learning, and you can look at these videos and these helps if you need to. It is very helpful and useful. There are also other available resources. So you can click on these links below to see those resources. Now here's your course preparation activities. If you haven't done so, go here to add your picture. It'll come up on your profile. Here's a course etiquette. You'll click on this link and you'll go to the course etiquette page. You'll see there's a quiz there. These are 4 points, so make sure that you do those. There's a getting acquainted page. It'll be a discussion board, so make sure you read those getting acquainted instructions so you know what is expected of you. You will click here to get to the getting acquainted discussion board. I'll go ahead and show you what that will look like. And there's a few of you that have already been on there and done that, so great. Here's the instructions. I just want to see if we can get to the discussion board through the instructions. Looks like it'll have step 1, and you can get to the discussion board from there. So make sure you read these steps. Also, make it be between 100 and 150 words. For some reason on this one, don't worry too much about it, but if it's not 100 to 150 words, it won't give you the points, and it automatically gives you points. So then I will have to go in and see that you did it and count the words, and which is fine, but it's just a lot easier if you have over 100 and less than 150 words. So step 1 is to do that discussion board. Step 2, after you're finished with your post, read 4 6 of your classmates' posts and respond to at least 3 of those. You'll notice here there's another word count, 50 to 75 words. Make sure it's that, or else it won't give you the points. Great, so that's what you'll do for that discussion board. Seems pretty simple. Make sure you do that and you'll get the points. Please do this pre-course knowledge survey. I believe it's worth 25 points, so it's really easy. And it gives you 25 points to begin, to start off with that. It also has this learning goal focus. Each week we'll have a goal focus. And now we'll go to these key preparation materials. So after you're done with that, you'll just go here to these required readings. Here's a required reading and then the supplemental reading. It's nice because you can click on there and it'll go right to what you need to read. You scroll down and you'll find those verses. They should be highlighted. Oops. So they should be highlighted there, what you need to read. And go ahead and read through those verses. And there's the supplemental readings. Not required, but these are always really good readings. End of the week wrap up. You're going to complete a weekly report at the end of this week and then at the end of each week. And you can see the schedule to see when those are due. Just so you know right now, all of these, and I'll go back in and write them in, all of these are due on the 25th of April. Okay, so you have some time. They're really simple. I would encourage you to go ahead and get those done quickly because let's go back here. There's a little arrow right here. You can go there to also navigate. So we're on L1. I want to show you the L2. Okay, this is week 2, and it's not open yet to all of us. So this will open. We'll go to our table of contents to see when that will open. As a teacher, I can open it, but right now I cannot. So this LO2 will begin April 20th. So today's the 17th. Between now and Thursday, I would invite you to get all of those the quizzes done that you need, the discussion boards, the introduction discussion boards done before Thursday the 20th. Because even though they're due on the 25th, I'd invite you to get them done on the 20th because LO2, lesson week 2, will open then, and you'll have 3 assignments that will be due. You'll have assignments that will be due on the 25th, the 27th, and the 29th. Okay. Coming this Thursday or Friday, I'll send another video out that will explain and kind of go through the course for LO2. That one will be a little bit longer, but most every week I'll send a video out that will be about 5 minutes long. It'll navigate you through the course. It'll help you out, and really, if you do and follow along, this will be a class that will be the one that you'll have no problems with. So I'm looking forward to seeing you guys on the introduction discussion board and get to know you throughout this course. You can go back. Let me go back to the overview. You're welcome to put any questions here, or sorry, not here, but you can email me with any questions. There's my email. There's my phone number. My virtual office, it will be Thursdays, 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. I haven't ever had to do this, and I don't even, to be honest, I don't know how well I'm set up. But you're always willing and able to, I'm willing and you're able to call me and email me at any time. But good luck with this course. We'll get back with you as we go through the introductions, but we'll get back with you about Tuesday or Friday, and we'll put another video to walk you through the lesson 02. Thanks. I hope you have a great week, and welcome to the class.